Hey guys, what's going on? And you're watching the Legit Predators. The very first thing I want to say is if you are new viewer to my channel and have not subscribed, so do hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notification of my new videos. So whenever I'm gonna post any video related to tech reviews or tech news, so guys can get easily. So guys, I'm back again with another video. So in this video, I'm gonna give you a review, and this review is kind of a special one. As you can see over here, I have the 3 parcel, and these parcel have been sent by iluvTrading. And for those who did not know who is iluvTrading, he is a YouTuber and he has two, I think 290 or 280k subscriber, and he is a best YouTuber, and I was inspired by iluvTrading. That's why I started my YouTube channel, and he sent it this 3 things as a gift for me. As you can see over here are the 3 parcel, 1, 2 and 3. So over here is the parcel, and I am excited for unboxing, not unboxing, to cut this parcel. So yes, let's do it. As you can see over here are the 3 parcel, and what I'm gonna will do is that I'm gonna will take one off, which is the big one, and over here are the 2 parcel and the last one of this parcel unboxing. I'm gonna will do in my next video of kind of a part 2, you can say. So I'm putting this on the side, and so here are the 2 parcel which I'm gonna will cut. So the first one is over here. So over here is my unboxing knife, and I will open my unboxing knife, and I'm gonna place a cut, and it is cut. Now we're gonna will see that what is inside the parcel, and over here it is. What is? Wow. So over here is a kind of a squishy, and you can see it's kind of a bread. As you can see, it is a bread and it is a squishy. Let me open this. Wait a minute. Whoa. Whoa. It feels like that I'm having a bread in my hand, and this is so smooth. Wow, this is called a squishy. Wow, a bread squishy. Wow. So here is then I have placed on the side. So over here is my next parcel, and we're gonna will see what's inside. Let me place. So now I'm gonna will take it out. Wow, as you can see over here is a microphone, and now I'm gonna will open it and take it out, and over here is the microphone. And now I hope that this microphone gonna will work for my best audio quality, because if you are a content creator, then your audio quality does matter. Wait a minute, and now this is open. Wow. So guys, now I'm gonna will plug this with my mobile. So over here is the mic, and over here is the squishy. And once again, I want to thank iluvTrading for sending me these gifts. Thank you iluvTrading for sending me these gifts. You are my ideal, you are my inspiration, and thank you for once again, thank you for sending me these gifts. And guys, the last parcel was left, and I'm gonna will do the unboxing of this last parcel on my next video. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and do subscribe for the last parcel, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Till then,